Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Wendy, and today we are preparing delicious okra veggies. I hope you will love the easy recipe and try it out on your own. Please make sure that you share your feedback, questions, and comments in the comment section below. Okra is low in calories and is packed full of nutrients. It has vitamin C and K. And apart from that, it has essential nutrients that are likely to boost your body's metabolism. That means you digest food really quickly. And also, it's able to strengthen your core muscles so that you can be strong. So, we go ahead and start our cooking. So, the first step is choosing the okra. Avoid the long, hard ones. They don't cook very easily and they're tough when you eat them. Also, you don't want to pick the darkened ones. Those that have started darkening and they look like they're sleepy. You need to avoid those ones. That means that they have overstayed in the market. So you need the fresh green ones that are baby-like, very soft. Have you prepared okra before? Let me know in the comments section how you like yours. I clean my veggies immediately using salt and white vinegar just to make sure that all germs are dead. Then you need to cut both ends of the okra, then slice them into fine equal sizes. You want to make sure the sizes are almost the same so that they cook well and evenly. Don't worry about the stickiness. I know sometimes it does frustrate, but that's why it's okra anyways. Okra is sticky. However, I have a secret for you. I know I'll show you what to do, so stay here. Keep watching to the end. I adore these golden veggies. Anyways, I am hosting some guests today, hence the excess amount. The next step is salting. This step is very important for your taste buds. So get all your sliced okra into a big bowl and salt them properly. Bonus tip, I always prefer sea salt and I use it on all my dishes. Make sure you sprinkle enough salt to taste. Shake and mix the salt very well and evenly. And then, the next part is frying. So you need to stir fry your okra properly. So you want to heat your pan for a minute, then add a little oil. Once the oil is well heated, add the okra. By the way, this is a secret that I told you about. So if you do this, if you don't skip this step, then you'll ensure that the stickiness is gone. So ensure that all the pieces are well oiled and keep stirring to avoid overcooking one side of the okra. Once everything is well toasted, it will appear nicely brown but not burnt. I hope you will love the easy recipe and try it out on your own. Please make sure that you share your feedback, questions, and comments in the comment section below so I can respond to them. We love your feedback. We appreciate your questions. We appreciate your encouragement, and we look forward to making great content going forward based on your feedback. Have you prepared okra before? Let me know in the comments section how you like yours. Set aside for the next and final step. Once everything is well toasted, it will appear nicely brown and not burnt. Then you need to set aside for the next and final step, which is step 5 and the easiest part. Now, this is the easy part. Get your tomatoes and onions. Ensure your tomatoes are well diced without the seed part. Very important. The seeds will make your okra sticky and slimy, the thing that you've just gotten rid of. So you don't want tomato seeds anywhere near your okra. Mhm. Fry your onions well. Once ready, add your tomatoes. Cover and allow your tomatoes to cook fully. I like to add my favorite tomato paste at this stage just to play around with my taste buds. You can comfortably skip this part if you're not a fan. Once ready, add your earlier fried okra, mix well, and the results will just announce themselves. Yeah, da 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 da. There you go. Have you prepared okra before? How do you love your okra? Please let's get talking, share, and comment. Try it and share your feedback. You can serve this with rice, ugali, or any other main meal that you prefer. Please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, like and share. Please remember to subscribe and let's grow the tribe. We love you so, so much.